In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Safari on iPhone for beginners. Safari is Apple's built-in web browser for iPhone. You can use it to search the internet, visit websites, save bookmarks, and browse privately. Let's get started. First, open Safari by tapping the Safari app on your home screen. This is the app with the compass icon. Once you've opened Safari, you'll notice the search and address bar appears at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll start your browsing journey. Now let's search the web. Tap the search bar at the bottom. Here you can type a website address like apple.com or enter a search term. Once you've typed in your desired website or search term, tap the Go button on the keyboard. This will take you to the page or search results you're looking for. It's important because it connects you to all the information you need. As you browse, you might want to navigate a web page. Simply swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through the content. See something interesting? Tap on a link to open it. If you want to go back to the previous page, tap the back arrow. If you decide to go forward again, just tap the forward arrow. This ensures smooth and easy navigation through different pages. Next up, let's talk about opening a new tab. Tap the Tabs button, which looks like two overlapping squares. Then tap the plus sign to open a new tab. This allows you to browse multiple sites at once, making multitasking easy. With that ready, you might want to switch between the tabs you've opened. Tap the Tabs button again. You'll see all your open tabs displayed. Tap the tab you want to view, and it will bring that page to the front. This is useful because it keeps your browsing organized. Now, let's bookmark a website. While you're viewing a web page, tap the Share button. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. Then tap Add Bookmark. Finally, tap Save. This makes sure you can easily return to your favorite sites later. After that, if you want to share a web page, tap the Share button again, choose Messages, Mail, or another app to share the link. Select a recipient and send the link. Sharing is made simple with this feature. Moving on, let's explore private browsing. This mode doesn't save your browsing history. First, tap the Tabs button. Then tap the Tab Group button at the bottom and select Private. Tap the plus sign to open a private tab. This is important for keeping your browsing session confidential. At this point, you might want to close a tab. Tap the Tabs button, then tap the small X on the tab you want to close. This keeps your browser tidy. Finally, let's clear your browsing history. Open Settings, then tap Apps, followed by Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data, and confirm your choice. This helps maintain your privacy by erasing past activity. Here's a quick tip. Tap the top of the screen to instantly return to the top of a web page. Touch and hold a link to open it in a new tab. Use private browsing when you don't want searches or visited pages saved to your history. Save frequently visited websites as bookmarks for quick access later. Safari is designed to be simple. Search, browse, open tabs, bookmark pages, and share links. Once you're comfortable with those basics, you'll be able to use most of Safari's features with ease. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.